What's the meaning of aristocracy? Aristocracy. Aristocracy.
Aristocracy. Aristocracy. Aristocracy refers to a social class of people who hold hereditary titles or belong to the elite nobility. They typically enjoy a high level of wealth and privileges, often associated with land ownership and political power. Historically, aristocrats have held significant influence over society and government, serving as rulers and decision-makers. In many societies, the term aristocracy has also been associated with a certain level of refinement, education, and cultural sophistication. However, the idea of an aristocratic social order has been critiqued for excluding those without noble lineage and perpetuating social inequality.